Scope of works. Number 1. Purpose of description of works. A hotel is an establishment that provides paid lodging on a short-term basis. Facilities provided inside a hotel room may range from a modest quality in a small room to large suites with bigger, higher quality beds, a dresser, a refrigerator facilities, a flat screen television, and a suite bathrooms. Small, lower price hotels may offer the most basic guest service and facilities. Larger, higher prices hotels may provide additional guest facilities such as a swimming pool, business center with computers, printers, and other office equipment, and event facilities, tennis or basketball courts, gymnasium, restaurant, day spa, and social function. Number 2. Planning. Plan the effort required to complete system. Plan work schedules. Plan tasks. Assign tasks to personnel. Plan duties. Assign duties to personnel. Plan cost base and establish.
Number 3. Roles and responsibilities. Responsible for producing the optimization of facets, data subject, and the unit process functional specifications. Responsible for the definition of data elements and the user's guide. With the construction manager, review the main specifications divided from the functional specification for which he/she responsible. Responsible for the design and documentation of functional tests. Description of functional test group. Number 4. Technical description. This hotel building will accommodate the following facilities: lobby, cafe, bar, and administrative facilities. Deluxe single and double room, sports center, security building. Instruction works include electrical wiring, gas pipes, power generator, plastic water pipes.
Master Service Agreement. This agreement is made with effect on and as of the 20th day of December 2020 between Boutique Hotel, a company incorporated under the law of the Philippines, and Golden A Hotel as the limited partnership, whereas the Boutique Hotel and Golden A Hotel are parties as a master hotel management agreement dated as of the 20th day of the December 2020. The Golden A Hotel has agreed to provide to the Boutique Hotel equipment, hosting, connectivity, and other related services upon the terms set out in these terms and conditions. Since the master agreement was executed, Golden A Hotel portfolio of hotel managed by the Boutique Hotel has grown significantly, and accordingly the parties have reviewed the terms of the master agreement. The Boutique Hotel and Golden A Hotel have agreed to amend certain terms and provision of the master agreement on the terms and conditions set out in this amendment. Now, therefore, this agreement witness that in consideration of the mutual convenience and agreement herein and other good and valuable consideration, the receipt and the sufficiency of which are hereby acknowledged by the parties covenant and agreement.